Take a look at Chuck's Mustang, sneak preview here. So just got a couple fish eyes to fix on it, but I was gonna go ahead and flow coat it anyway. So this is how smooth it got it. This is I think 15 or 16 pounds. Technopro Light. 2.5 turns out. Should have went to 3 turns on the last coat to get the sides a little bit smoother. But it's all right. I didn't really want to soak it and get a bunch of runs. So you can see here that's smooth. That's a little fish eyes in the middle right there, but they seem to smooth out a little bit. But like I said, I'm gonna flow coat it anyway. It's gonna get another. Sand it down and shoot it one more time with clear. I just didn't want to get any runs. Too bad. I think I got one small one. But you don't want a giant bunch of orange peel either, you know. Like right here, there's a little run right here. Just got a little bit of a saggy going on. Easy fix. It was in the corner right here and I kind of pushed it down. The stripes are all underneath the clear, so the whole reason is to go ahead and sand this down one more time and then re-clear the whole thing. I was going to use intercoat clear, but I decided to use, if you don't know what intercoat clear is, like base coat that's clear. So I was going to use that, but yeah, just didn't really need to because I figured I'd just flow coat it with another coat of clear. So I'll sand it down and shoot it again with clear. That's what flow coating they call it. Is, you know, I say the new term, but I never used that before. I used to just sand it down and shoot it again. Got the stripes all straight. They're kind of odd though. They start at 9 3/4 or 9 inches, and they go to 10 3/8. Then go from 10 3/8 to 10.5, like that won't make any difference. 1/8 of an inch on the stripe, you're never going to be able to see it, but the whole idea is because the car is contoured, you know, more narrow. Yeah, I got it pretty smooth though. There's just a few, you see these little pieces of dust in there, but that's no big deal because it's going to get sanded, and it had to stay open for a few days while I was doing these stripes. So he'll be pleased with it. He's pretty excited about it. He hasn't seen it yet. He's not gonna see it until it's done. Little bug in there. It's normal stuff. So, all right. So it's pretty smooth. There's not a lot of orange peel on the sides. It got a little bit. Like I said, I should have went 3 turns out. It was just I was going a little bit too slow. 3 turns out would have been a little bit nicer. I think that's about right for this particular clear. Every clear's got a little bit different settings, but the whole idea is to get it mist and fine, and then or atomize is some, you know, that's the real word for it. You guys that are new at this, and then you know, and then you even go a little bit slower than you might, and if you got enough pressure, you can go faster too in you know, in a booth or something, you know, you can do that. But I'm not gonna say where this was painted. I'm not really showing. Anyway, all right, man. That's Chuck's Mustang, the update. I'm gonna see what's going on up there. Yep. All right. Talk to you guys in the next video.